Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where we take pride in bringing you the best of Indian desserts. And speaking of Indian desserts, one that stands out is the ever-popular Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun is a traditional Indian sweet that is often served at weddings, festivals, and other special occasions. It consists of small round balls made from milk solids, flour, and sugar, which are then deep-fried and soaked in a sweet syrup flavored with cardamom and rose water. At Chef Mariam's, we take our Gulab Jamun seriously. Our recipe uses only the finest ingredients and is prepared with the utmost care to ensure the perfect texture and flavor. The milk solids are kneaded into a smooth dough, then shaped into small balls before being deep-fried until they are a golden brown color. Once cooked, they are immediately immersed in the sweet syrup, which allows the flavors to infuse into the dessert and give it its signature taste. One of the things that make Gulab Jamun so beloved is its versatility. It can be served warm or cold and pairs perfectly with various accompaniments such as vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or even fresh fruit. It's also a great option for those who prefer less sugary desserts, as it has a subtle sweetness that doesn't overwhelm the taste buds. Chef Mariam's website also offers a step-by-step recipe and video tutorial for those looking to try their hand at making Gulab Jamun at home. With a little patience and practice, you can be enjoying this delicious dessert in no time. In conclusion, Gulab Jamun is a beloved Indian dessert that has been enjoyed for generations. At Chef Mariam's, we take great pride in bringing you the best version of this timeless classic. So whether you are new to Indian desserts or a longtime fan, we invite you to try our Gulab Jamun and experience the authentic taste of India. Introduction. Sure, here are 5 points to introduce Gulab Jamun. Origin. Gulab Jamun is a popular dessert in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and other South Asian countries. Its origins can be traced back to medieval India, where it was first made by Persian-speaking invaders. Preparation. Gulab Jamun is made by mixing together milk powder, all-purpose flour, and a small amount of baking powder, and kneading the mixture into a smooth dough. Small balls are then rolled from the dough and deep-fried until they are golden brown. The fried balls are then soaked in a warm sugar syrup flavored with cardamom and rosewater. Appearance. Gulab Jamun balls are typically round and brown, with a spongy and soft texture. They are often served in a shallow dish filled with sweet syrup, which gives them a shiny and glossy appearance. Variations. Gulab Jamun can be made in many different ways, and there are numerous variations across South Asian countries. Some popular variations include Kala Jamun, which is made with paneer and has a darker color, and dry Gulab Jamun, which is not soaked in syrup and is served as a dry sweet. Significance. Gulab Jamun is a popular dessert served at festivals and celebrations in South Asia. It is also commonly served at weddings and other special occasions, and it is a popular dessert in Indian restaurants around the world. It is considered a comfort food by many and is often associated with happy memories and moments of celebration. Delicious Gulab Jamun recipes from Chef Mariam's kitchen. Gulab Jamun is one of the most popular Indian sweets, and it's not hard to see why. These soft, spongy, and syrupy balls are the perfect way to end a meal, and they are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. In this blog post, we will be sharing some delicious Gulab Jamun recipes from Chef Mariam's kitchen, complete with step-by-step instructions and tips to make them perfect every time. Classic Gulab Jamun. Ingredients. 1 cup of khoya, milk solids. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 2 tablespoons of ghee. 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Oil for frying. For syrup. 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of water. 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon of rosé water. Instructions. In a bowl, crumble the khoya and add the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and fennel seeds. Add the ghee and mix well. Gradually add the milk, and mix until you have a soft dough. Knead the dough for a few minutes to make it smooth and free from any lumps. Heat the oil in a pan, and once it's hot, add the balls of dough and fry them on low heat until they are dark brown in color. In another pan, add the sugar, water, and cardamom powder and cook until the sugar dissolves completely. Add the rose water and stir well. Once the balls are ready, transfer them to the sugar syrup and let them soak for at least an hour. Tips. Use a heavy bottom pan to make the sugar syrup, as it will prevent the syrup from burning. The Gulab Jamun should be fried on. Gulab Jamun Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is a renowned chef who is known for her exceptional culinary skills and her ability to add unique and innovative twists to traditional dishes. When it comes to Gulab Jamun, Chef Mariam has her own special way of making it, which sets her version apart from the rest. Here are some special information and tips about Chef Mariam's Gulab Jamun recipe. Unique ingredients. Chef Mariam's Gulab Jamun recipe includes a small amount of semolina in the dough, which gives it a unique texture and flavor. She also adds a small amount of khoya, milk solids, to the dough, which makes the Gulab Jamun balls softer and creamier. Flavored syrup. Chef Mariam's syrup for Gulab Jamun is infused with saffron, which adds a distinct aroma and a beautiful golden color to the sweet. She also adds a small amount of rose water to the syrup, which gives it a refreshing and floral flavor. Slow cooking. Chef Mariam's recipe requires slow frying the Gulab Jamun balls over low heat, which ensures that they are evenly cooked and develop a beautiful golden brown color. Slow cooking also makes the Gulab Jamun balls soft and spongy on the inside. Customized garnish. Chef Mariam's Gulab Jamun is garnished with chopped pistachios, but she sometimes uses almonds or cashews instead. The garnish adds a nutty flavor and a nice crunch to the sweetness. Presentation. Chef Mariam's Gulab Jamun is often served warm, and she presents them in a small cup or bowl with a spoonful of syrup and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. She sometimes adds a dollop of whipped cream or vanilla ice cream on top, making it a delicious and indulgent dessert. Overall, Chef Mariam's Gulab Jamun recipe is a perfect blend of traditional and modern flavors, and it is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who tries it.